Yeah, I can't believe it's raining. Now we're not going to be able to go out and play any baseball. Yeah, I want to play some baseball too. Yeah, but we ain't going to be able to play no baseball while it's raining. Right? Right.
Hi, you stupid kids!
What?
Why the grim faces?
Ah, 'cause it's raining outside and we can't play no baseball.
Aw.
We can't play baseball.
So what if it's raining?
What?
Why don't you
What?
stay inside and play with some foam?
What's foam?
What's foam?
Yeah.
Oh, you are stupid!
What?
It's a special concoction that
What's a
lets you make
concoction?
things out of
What?
this stuff!
Stuff? Oh,
Yeah.
that's weird stuff.
Foam! You can make a hat out of it!
Well, I can make a baseball out of
You
it,
can
right?
make a backpack out of
I
it!
don't really care much about backpacks.
Me
How about a
neither.
baseball?
Okay! You can even make a baseball out of it!
Yay! This guy's kind of weird.
So go ahead and shut those whiny traps
What?
and get yourself some
Flow would
flow!
be fun. Flow!
Yay,
Yay,
flow.